Did you know that many famous brands like Prada, Nike, Burberry, and Gucci make their products in China? And not only that, even most of the electronics and gadgets like Samsung mobile phone, smart TVs, and other house gadgets are made in China. Why China? They do it because China has lots of factories and it's cheaper to make things there. And that's why China is called the world's factory. Now, there's this misconception that is going around about China. Some people think that products from China are fake or not good quality, but that's not entirely true. In China, there are different levels of quality. Some products are made for people with lower budgets, while others are for those that are willing to spend money with higher budgets. Most of the time, people who end up with lower quality stuffs are those who go for the cheaper options. So you see where the problem is. You see where the problem is starting from. What is your budget and how much are you willing to spend? Hold that thought for now. If you're thinking about buying things from China, there are a couple of common problems that you might face. And in this video, I'm going to share how to deal with those problems, with those issues. I'm going to share things that you need to avoid and things that you need to look out for before shopping on any Chinese website, whether it's 1688, AliExpress, Alibaba, Tmall, Taobao, or any other Chinese website. So watch this video closely, even if it means watching it over and over again, so you won't have to make mistake or lose your hard-earned money. Now, if your account keeps getting blocked when you sign up, or if you keep having issues when you're signing up, or you want to learn this mini importation business, or you want to learn how to make payment on 1688 website, or you just want to get the shipping agent's contact or procurement agent's contact, just watch this video till the end. I'm Charles and I help people and businesses grow. I try out things online and I share them here in this channel. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video, and if I have questions, drop it in the comment section and I'm going to give a reply. Now, one common issue people face is delayed delivery, waiting a long time for your goods to arrive. This is a serious problem for some people. Now, to avoid this, make sure that you talk to your supplier before you pay. Ask them how long it's going to take for them to send your items to your shipping agent after you've paid. Ideally, it should be around 24 to 72 hours, which is around 1 to 3 days. If it takes longer, it's probably not worth your time. So you want the supplier to send your items to your shipping agent quickly. Your supplier should ship your items that day when the payment is made or the next day. Also check if the items you want are actually available. Not everything you see in the supplier store might be ready for immediate delivery. Some of them are just middlemen and they don't have the items in stock. So you need to confirm that before making any sort of payment. Now, the next issue is missing or incomplete orders. Now, this is business, and in business, people make mistakes. Sometimes people make mistakes and you have to deal with it. Items may be missing or incomplete when they arrive, but this doesn't always happen. That is why after placing your order, ask the supplier to send you a picture or a video of your items before shipping it to your agent in China, and also track the order to be sure that your item is shipped. So what will you do if your item gets missing? In this case, contact the supplier first and then ask about your missing items. If it's their mistake, you can request for a refund. If they say everything was sent correctly, get in touch with your shipping agent and confirm from them if they've received it. Then you can check if there was a packing error, package error, whatever it is at the Chinese warehouse. Sometimes you're going to get a refund. Other times you might just have to, accept the losses. It's business. Sometimes stuff happens. But like I said, this doesn't always happen. That's why it's crucial to use a reliable shipping agent or a reliable shipping company that puts customers first. After this video, I'm going to share a link in the description of this video, which would show you how to set up your 1688 account without getting blocked and how to get started with this mini importation business. In the link, I shared a lot of things, including shipping agents, and all you need is just a plate of rice to get access to it. Don't eat fried rice this weekend. Use it to get things that would help you and your business grow. All right, the next thing you need to avoid is fake products. Now, the people that buy fake products are the people that want very cheap products. They want to make excess profit. Most times when a product is extremely cheap, it might turn out to be a fake product or low quality product. So please do not be greedy. Compare prices, do your due diligence, and make sure that you're not buying the cheapest or the most expensive, but somewhere around the lower median. However, one of the best things to do before investing large amount of money buying goods, especially if you're going for cheapest product, is to buy a sample product first. Buy 1 or 2 products of what you want to get and review the quality. When you receive the product, check it out and just ensure that it meets the quality you want. You can then invest more money after that, invest more money in buying more of those products. And this is important. You want a sample of your product first before going ahead to order large quantity. It is important. So do your due diligence, communicate with your suppliers, double check product availability, review products properly, and choose a trustworthy shipping agent. Now, the next issue I noticed is the sign-up process on 1688. I've heard some complaints about people signing up on 1688 and their accounts getting blocked. This doesn't affect everybody anyway. This affects some people. What I'll say is try the normal way to sign up. If it doesn't work, then check the description of this video, join the training. Those are one of the things I share with my students that do meat importation business. The next thing you want to do before buying anything from 1688 is to check the reviews. Check what people have to say about the product. Check what others are saying. It is very important. If there are a lot of complaints, that's a red flag. If there are no reviews, for me, that's another red flag. But if the reviews are positive, then it's a good sign. Another thing you need to consider is the product rating and the store rating. The store's overall rating is essential. If the product or the store has good rating, it's more likely to have good stuff. Also, how long the supplier has been in business matters. Longer is generally better, but not always. You want to buy from a supplier that has been in business for over 2 years or at least 1 year. If I see a supplier that started 3 months ago or last month, I'm not going to buy. For me, it's a red flag. The supplier might not have enough experience to treat customers fairly, or it might just be a fake store. Generally, you want to deal with suppliers that have experience dealing with customers and have a track record of customer satisfaction. The next important thing which you should do is to talk to the supplier before making a purchase. Don't hesitate to reach out to the seller. Ask for pictures. Ask for videos, ask for evidence of the product that you're getting if you're not sure. A good supplier will be happy to share with you, will be happy to help you and show you what you're getting. One of my students was like, "Sir, I chatted the supplier, but they haven't responded to me for hours." Now, you need to understand this. When you're communicating with anyone in China, or specifically with the Alipay support, remember the time zone difference. For example, if you're in Nigeria, China is about 7 hours ahead. Their day is your night, so be mindful of this time difference. If you need assistance and you want a faster response, chat them up during their working hours. It is usually late in the night or early in the morning, so you need to understand that they are on the other side of the world. If you want a faster response, chat them up in their time zone. All of these things I mentioned would help you avoid stories, to help you avoid losses when you're shopping in China. I've created a step-by-step training that will take you from a beginner to an expert in meat importation business. So in this training, you're going to learn how to create and set up a 1688 account, ways to source goods on 1688, how to identify manufacturers, how to source and identify quality products, how to chat suppliers, how to place an order on 1688, how to ship the products to your location, how to calculate the shipping cost, how to create a receipt to send your supplier to reduce the minimum order quantity or the product price, how to make payment on the 1688 website or app. I'll also be sharing some shipping agents contacts, procurement agent contacts, and other secret strategies. In fact, I've added a bonus on how to use AliExpress the right way, how to buy and order a product without using a procurement agent to buy. All these things I've packaged in this mini importation course, and I made it so cheap that anyone can get access to it, but you have to pay the price. Don't eat fried rice this weekend. Instead of eating fried rice, use it to learn what can possibly change things for you. I love you and I want you to succeed, and I want to hear your testimony. I'm going to leave the link to the course in the description of this video. The price is going to go up anytime from now, so just check if the price is still a plate of rice. If it's still a plate of rice, grab it, because it can change anytime from now. If you love this channel and you want to be part of this community, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, like this video, and if you have questions, just drop it in the comment section. I'll see you in this video.